of kings and queens, we are here in Tanji touring a 3-bedroom house for rent. Okay, so this property is in Tanji Estate, very close to the Tanji beach and the Tanji market, and it's just 15 minutes drive away from Turntable. Enough of my talking, let's go see the house. So right where I am standing is the driveway, as you can see. Let's go around to the front, well, to the back.
Okay. Oh, which direction
We're going
first?
to the side. Unfortunately, this house, its entrance is located at the side.
Hey.
But before we go, you can take a look around.
Okay. I have to say I like this. I like the wall. I like the fence. The tile that they use there.
Yes.
It's very nice.
I like the blue, the neutral tone.
Yes.
Blue, gray, brown. That's like kind of earthy. I'm walking along the walkway.
Yeah, I was just about to compliment that and say I really like the way that it's like very nice.
And the grass is really nice as well. What I call lawn grass.
It's well maintained.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks like a mini house.
Yeah, this is a small house, and this one is what they call a security house. So this is where the security person would stay to oversee the property.
That is cool.
All right.
It's very beautiful though.
I think so too.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Around. What? You know what? I love this property because guess why? Guess why I love this property?
Tell me why. I don't know.
I can walk entirely
around it.
And I can see greenery.
That is true. They have your banana trees.
Some plantains, of course. I see the owner was making some effort in terms of the landscaping, and the fact that even this chair was here means they had some idea of what they wanted to accomplish.
Yeah, like a lounge area or something.
Like a little lounge. And look at the grill.
Yeah.
You understand?
The grill, but we're not in the grill.
We could jerk some chicken out here, right? So let's go tour inside and see what it looks like.
Let's go inside.
Yeah. Oh,
wait.
This one has is operated from cash power. So you have to put your cash power in.
And it's NOEC everything.
What I'm seeing, I'm not sure if it's borehole yet, but we will confirm as we get
It
along.
seems it's NOEC because I don't see a tank anywhere.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
And you have sign of AC inside, right?
Yes. Whew, place
go
is hot there. Let's go.
So this where we're entering from would be the kitchen. However, as you can see, there's a door right here. It should be entering into the living room.
That is true.
But we have here, so we're gonna just enter from this side.
Let's go.
Alright, so let's go in. Where will I find the lights now? In here is very hot, guys. That's not light.
But I can see you. Everything is good.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. So guys, as you can see, this kitchen is fitted out with nice cupboards, marble top. Ooh, I like this marble top. Counter, and so you have low cabinets, or kitchenettes or something. Cabinets.
Kitchen cabinet.
And here are our cabinetries. Another type. I like that this is somewhat a modern type of work that has been done here. Efforts is needed, so you know.
Huge stove. Yeah.
I guess this one is for persons who love cooking, right? Yeah, and a nice dining table to fit in with the whole vibe of the kitchen.
It's really nice. I think I like it. It kind of reminds me of something familiar from Jamaica somehow.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I like that the tiles are neutral as well, so you kind of see the play with the grays and the browns going into the space. So here we have a nice fridge as well. This one burning sharp, but yeah, I guess it's cool enough to keep your stuff. And I'm standing here over the archway, which we're entering now into the living area, entertainment area, whichever way you call it. Alright guys, so we are now in the living room, and as you can see, we have a nice cabinetry here, our storage space. And I must say I love the use of this space. You know, it's not left empty, but they fix something that, you know, takes up the space there. So you can put a lot of stuff right there.
Yeah, you can put a lot of trophies or anything like that there.
Or probably your little books that you want to read.
That is true.
Yeah. All right, let's walk in from this area. We're seeing the chair, the sofas. Look at the curtains. Remember I was mentioning to you about the brown tiles in the kitchen and the grays. So now you're seeing that play out in this space as well. With the tabletop here, having that brown and gray theme going right around. As you can see, we have some nice greenery. This one we call Fox plant. So for those who like plants or like to see greenery but don't have the time to maintain it as much, so you can have these ones looking, you know, uplifting your space. Yeah, and you have two of them, so it's kind of like symmetric theme going on. And between these two plants is the entertainment center. I love these small speaker boxes here. They look so gorgeous within the space. And this holds everything, your TV, you call it radio, DVD players, stuff like that. This is not a flat screen. This is a flat screen TV, but not a swivel one. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it can swivel, but at least. What do you think about this set, AP?
I think it's cool. I like that I can just sit in my couch and just watch. And I think also the flowers, they're complementing this table with the green candle that's there.
Look at that.
So
you
it's
know you
nice.
have an iPhone
I do. I am very good. Thank you.
Yes, so now that we're walking right around. At first I thought these sofa colors were black, but now I'm looking, they have that dark brown theme.
And it does match back with the curtain and the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now guys, you can tell that it's someone that's in the Europe or so, because they have that eye for the. This is a
fireplace.
Fireplace. Yeah, I mean, we don't need much of a fireplace in, but at least it brings that ambiance, you know, that vibe, like.
Yes, it.
And to be honest with you, there's a time in Gambia when the time gets really, really, really cold. So maybe it works, you know, for that time.
The guy agree with you behind you. He's like, yeah, definitely.
You can tell he's just chilling right here.
He's like, yeah.
Like, hey dude, what's up? How long have you been here in this space? You enjoying it? I can tell from the pipe. And look at this young lady right here. You know, showing all the African. I love this decor. To be honest, it's simple. It's not what you would call oh my gosh,
like modern or something.
No, it's kind of have that modern but traditional
vibes.
Yeah, very simple and chic. Yeah,
that is true.
Alright, so behind, well, where do we call this? This is the left, right?
Yes.
To the right.
Yes.
To the right is where we have like the living quarters in terms of the bedrooms and the bathrooms.
Okay, let's
tour
room number one. Hit.
Alright. So guys, room number one is a tiny room, but it can hold you. Yes, it has that clean, open, you know, openness with it, even though it's a bit small.
That is
because
true.
You have like these two windows, you know, that can let in your natural light just the same. I like the roof, that the roof is not too low, because you know when you have low roof it tends to be more hot.
Yes.
So with a higher roof you have that coolness. And you see that the browns and the grays are still playing out within the space, and a little touch of color here and there with these artwork. Yeah.
The one thing I would add though is like if you're renting this space, just know that you can decorate it however you want.
True.
If you want, and then you come up with the brown concept
the brown
again.
Themes, the dark browns and the light browns, as you can see, with a touch of gray. Like this big mirror here, so you can see your full attire when you get dressed at the wardrobe.
That is right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go tour I like this door as well.
It's very nice.
It reminds me of that place that we toured the other day. Only thing that door was
big.
Yeah, it was huge. All right, guys. So we're here in this bathroom. I think this is a guest bathroom.
No, it's the same.
It's the same.
Yes, but what I realized is one side is shower and the other side is toilet face basin.
Oh, because I'm looking and I'm not seeing the shower. And I was like, where is the shower? But then, yes, AP says the shower is on the next side.
Which
so
we will see now.
It's kind of beneficial, especially if there's rooms that doesn't have their own bathroom and you need to share, then if someone is using the toilet area and you need to shower, you know, you have that.
I like the tiling as well.
Yeah, the tiling is beautiful. And water, you know, so the blue represents that water vibe. So playing with the themes again.
Also, I'm hearing another thing like
yes, AP. Go ahead.
No, I'm hearing another thing like the water and the light is both NOEC and solar as well as. So if you don't have NOEC, you have solar. If you don't have solar, you have NOEC.
Yeah.
Lucky you.
That's good. Okay, guys. So here's the shower. We were wondering where it was, right? So here it is.
So nothing will splash you in here. It's just you and the shower.
You and the shower and a big space.
Exactly.
That's right. I like that. I like that concept.
I would love us to talk about this huge artwork though.
Yes. So
it's very nice.
Coming in from the living room. And you know the beauty about exiting these bedrooms here, because we're gonna be seeing the next bedroom. But as AP wants me to talk about this,
please let's talk about
this artwork first. It's lovely, and why I like that they choose this color, this theme artwork to put here is that it brings the sunshine kind of vibe in. You know, you're exiting from the wet room, you understand, and you're seeing that sunshine. You wake up to that sunshine. You're coming out of your bedroom and you're waking up to that sunshine.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And I think that's Kai. This one it's nice though.
Yeah, I love it. And you're seeing that village vibe as well. Like you remember we went to that
yeah, it was just a recent video.
But this one is more modern. Like the artwork is more modern.
Round houses and stuff.
Yeah, round houses and baobab trees. Alright guys, so we saw the first bedroom and we saw the wet room. Let's get into the next one. This room is also similar to the first one, as it is small but quite spacious enough to accommodate you, and it has the similar cabinetries and storage space.
Wardrobe.
It's still keeping the theme of the browns and the grays, you know.
Don't mind these things also, guys. They will be gone. Like anything that you see and you don't want, they can be removed, so don't worry about that.
That's right.
Yeah. And you have a little bedside mirror.
Right. I think they kind of made use of it a different way, because remember that mirror that we saw here?
Yes.
They put it there this time, so you can see the difference. Alright guys, so we've seen two of the bedrooms already and we've seen the wet room. However, although I said it's a 3-bedroom, at this moment we are not able to see the 3rd bedroom as it is occupied with some stuff and the key is not available. Alright, so with that said, we're coming up to the end of our tour. This was a beautiful tour. I believe you appreciated it as well.
They will comment and let us know.
Exactly so.
And share the videos.
I must say thumbs up to the homeowner or the designer who actually put the space together, because it's lovely. It's modern to an extent, but it's still simple. You know, for those persons living that minimalistic lifestyle, and you have that traditional look around it as well. Okay guys, the queen is gonna state the price for the house. You're gonna be surprised that queen, how much is this per month? This one is only going for $500 per month.
What do you mean, $500 here?
$500
$500 US dollars per month for this quality.
Yeah,
I think it's good.
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
know, based on what we're seeing out there, I think it's nice.
It's one of the best compounds that we've seen thus far, you know, in terms of the inside as well. You know, we've seen beautiful apartments, but like a standalone house compound,
this is the one
of the best as well.
And it's actually it's the location is very good. It's inside a gated community. It has security. Hopefully you keep your security. And it's 15 minutes drive or less to Turntable, Gambia. I think this is a good spot. The beach is just over there. You can walk to the beach. You can walk to the fish market.
And it's close to the Tanji River.
And it's close to the, listen to me, you have everything here that, get in touch guys.
Alright. right?
Until the next video, you don't know how we do it.
And you don't know how we do it, guys. Feet on the ground, working and letting it work.
All the time.
Yeah.
Bye.